Today we are making Pithla using Horsegram flour. Horsegram is known as Kulthi in Hindi and Kulith in Marathi. For those of you who want to see how Horsegram looks, here it is. Horsegram has been cultivated in India since centuries but was once considered a poor man's food. It is now labelled as a superfood due to its nutrition profile. It is used to make numerous dishes ranging from chutney, salads to soups, curries, dosas, etc. Today we will be using Horsegram flour to make the famous Maharashtrian dish which is Pithla. This is how Horsegram flour looks. I have taken 1 cup of Horsegram flour in a bowl. Add water gradually and keep mixing it simultaneously to make a smooth mixture. I have added 2 cups of water to make a lump-free mixture. Keep this aside. Now here I have taken 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Crush this. Keep the crushed garlic aside for the time being. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and add the crushed garlic. Saute this on low flame for few seconds. Add 3 to 4 chopped green chilies and saute this. Add 1 chopped large onion. Saute this till the onion turns soft. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. And give it a quick mix. Now gradually add the Horsegram mixture while simultaneously stirring it on low heat. Keep stirring it continuously so that there is no lump in the mixture. Now we'll add 4 to 5 petals of kokum, more salt if needed, and mix it. Cover and cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of water here and mixing it to get a nice smooth mixture. I'm keeping the consistency of this Pithla thick because I'll be serving it with bhakri. But in case if you want to serve it with rice, you can add more water and make the consistency thin. Garnish with chopped coriander and fresh coconut. The Kulith Pithla is ready to be served. You can serve it with bhakri and mirchi thecha. Recipe for mirchi thecha is given in the I button in the top right hand corner. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.